Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see in the title, today I'm gonna be doing a wig install on this beautiful wig that I got from AliExpress. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be giving information on this beautiful wig that I have in on my head. So I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah. Okay, now so basically I'm wiping my forehead with alcohol because you want to make sure that your forehead is clean and that you don't have any kind of substance on your forehead to prevent your wig from not sticking to your head, period. Okay, so the only thing that I do use is a got to be glue spray. I feel like the spray is just good for me because I don't wear my wigs all day and it lasts long for me throughout the day. So that's the only thing that I do use. I love this hair. I love the way I bleached this closure because honestly, it just blends right in, and that's what I love. Like y'all see, I mean, you can still kind of see the lace, but come on now, y'all, it is blending in though. I was having a really hard time doing my edges on camera, so I did cut the camera off and do them off camera. Okay, y'all, so this is the end finished result. So now I'm about to talk a little bit about this hair. So I got this hair off of AliExpress. It is a hair company called Sterly. Now I kid y'all not, this hair company has been love for me. I love this hair company. I just love it. I bought it with my own money. So this hair cost $94.55 for me. I got this hair in a 22-inch, so it like stops a little bit right here. So this hair really isn't that long on me like that, since I'm a little tall on the taller side, so it's not really that long. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna make sure that I put the hair vendor store here on the video somewhere up here on the screen to make sure that you guys know where to go if you guys do download the AliExpress app. And also, this hair is 150 density. It is pretty thick, and I do appreciate that because some hairs be thin as hell and I don't too much like that. But this is what the lace looks like. I think it looks pretty good, y'all. I think I did a good job. And this wig is a 4x4 lace closure wig. I feel like frontals are so hard to do, so that's why I only just order like closure wigs and stuff like that, because it's very much easy for me and I know how to do it. Later down in the future, I will like do like an actual whole video of me like cutting the wig, cutting the lace and bleaching it and stuff like that. Like, I'm gonna do a whole video on that soon. I'm just scared because sometimes I don't even know what I be doing myself, so it's like I'm still learning. It's still a learning process, but you know, practice makes perfect. It does. Very. You guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because a subscribe goes a long way for my channel, and I really hope that this channel can grow. Like, I really hope it does. And even though you guys, it's only like 12 or 50 or whoever, how many who views my videos, I really do appreciate that because that goes a long way for me. That just shows that it is someone out there who really are watching my videos. So once again, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.